Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to pair your phone with the Lloyd AC now, so first locate the model and default credentials on the unit. That's why you avoid guesses. Next, turn the AC's Wi-Fi or Smart button to setup mode, usually a press and hold, because the unit must broadcast a temporary network. On your phone, open Settings, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and watch for the AC's SSID. Once you see it, we'll join and continue configuration. With your phone connected to the AC's setup network, launch the Lloyd Smart app. The app talks to the AC over that temporary link to exchange credentials. Follow the app prompts precisely, choose your home Wi-Fi SSID, paste or type the password and select 4 GHz if required because many ACs don't support 5 GHz. Tap Connect and wait while the app uploads settings. This can take 30-60 seconds. When the app confirms, the AC will restart its Wi-Fi with your router settings. Once the AC restarts, switch your phone back to your regular home Wi-Fi and open the app to verify the air conditioner appears online. You should see status, temp, and controls. Rename the device for clarity, create schedules, and test remote commands to confirm reliable control, because this prevents accidental misoperation later. If the AC doesn't show online, reboot the router and AC, check you use the correct Wi-Fi band and password, and repeat the app pairing. That often resolves common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.